Hi there, just want to go over how you guys are going to create your first Java project, but I kind of actually have to explain something first, is that we first have to create in Eclipse a Java project, which you see here with the folder that you have in front of you, and then inside we go ahead and create our code, again inside of the Java project. So again, stage 1 is the Java project, stage 2 is the code that we will capture inside. So inside Eclipse, I've already started up a new window. I'm going to go to File, New, and Java Project. Now, your project should be named pretty similar to what you have to your application name, project name, or lab name. And this one I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to have it called Hello World. And I'm just going to hit Finish. Now again, this is just creating the project, which is just the folder itself. Now I need to add a class. Now there's a couple ways of doing it. We could go to File, New, and Class, okay, which I would prefer, or there's actually this button here where we can add a new class as well. Now the class name could be the same as the project name, totally up to you, okay. I may specify it in different parts of your labs and assignments, but I'm going to go ahead and put Hello World again. Now here's the bad news, is that nowhere else can you use the same name for a project Hello World. It'll have to be something else. If you have a different version, you may have to do Hello World number 2. Second part is all these little options here. Most of them you can ignore for now, and I will cover later when we get into more experienced stuff. But here you can hit public static void main, something that's really going to help us out and build it already. I'm going to hit Finish, and voila, there is our program. Now notice that Eclipse does a lot of things for you, and that's the good news, and that's why I personally use Eclipse. Now most of your code for the next few weeks will be inside the public static void main. Matter of fact, something that we've already gone over, system.out.println. And I'll finish it here and go from there. Now I hit save. You have a save button over here. Go to File, Save As, whatever. I hit the Control S to save, and I'm going to go ahead and run this. Now the weird part is that the running window, which I'll show you here in a minute, is down the bottom. I'm going to go to Run, Run As, and then Java Application. And again, down the bottom here, it will eventually show up and show us the running portion. Now down the bottom, like I was saying, when you need to have the windows, again like I was saying, is that again the console here down the bottom is what actually the program is running. That's also where you will actually type in anything if you need to for input. So again, here's your main program. Notice it's very, very simple, mostly automated in generation. You add your code in the main, your system out.println, and all of your console stuff ends up here.